Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a cinematic night footage by using this color grading for your night footage. So here you can just use CapCut and then first add this filter. Click on filter and click on the night scene category and add the orange blue, this one around 80. Now click on adjust and follow the setting. Brightness increase it to 11 and contrast 17. Lower the saturations to -10. Brilliance -50. Now click on the grabs and here you can follow my grabs or you can also just adjust it to your own video like this. Okay, now go back, click on the highlight, lower it to -50. Click on a check icon, then you can add another filter if you want. So this is optional. You can find this cold ivory under the live category, but you can also find it on features. Click on cold ivory, adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 100. Now this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.